Well, it's been a while since we've been on this beauty. Let's go for a ride. Hi, I'm Chad, and welcome to virtual reality, where I like to start my motovlogs because it is a place where we can do wheelies. I miss my Tuono. So, it's been a while since I have just gone out for a ride and recorded a motovlog. And that has been for multiple reasons. None of which have anything to do with the fact that I did not want to hear that glorious V4. Oh, I have missed that so much. But a lot's been going on. So in case you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Chad and I love motorcycles. I enjoy riding my 2017 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory on the street as well as occasionally on the track. And I also enjoy racing my 2012 Triumph Daytona 675R. In fact, just about 3.5 weeks ago, I was out at Buttonwillow Raceway competing in the second round of the California Road Race Association's 2022 championship. Ended up taking third in the Amateur 600 Supersport race after a pretty difficult weekend, including a pretty ridiculous crash that was entirely my fault for being inattentive. But bounced back, raced injured, managed to salvage a podium finish, got a trophy. It's pretty cool. Also raced at Laguna Seca about a month before that. That was pretty cool. So I've been up to a lot of really cool stuff. Now if you're subscribed, you might know this already, and you might also be aware that I recently bought a house. My girlfriend and I moved out of Orange County, California. We previously lived in Irvine and moved out to, I don't know if you could call this the Inland Empire, but we're out here kind of in the desert. Very pretty though, lots of mountains, amazing sunsets, but it is hot this time of year. And that's one of the other reasons I haven't been riding so much. It's just too hot, not enjoyable. It's been over 100 degrees basically every day here for the past month and a half. And that's probably how it's going to be for the next good while here. And back to reality. But yes, I've been quite busy just getting settled into our new home and area, trying to explore when we have time to, which isn't too often because we still end up going back to Orange County pretty regularly. We've got a lot of friends and family out there, so it's where a good deal of our weekends are spent. On top of that, worked full-time, started a new job back in March of this year, so I've been getting settled into that nicely. That's been going well, actually. I'm liking it quite a bit. Yeah, it's just been pretty crazy overall, just a lot of change. We've been trying to get some work done, just fixing up a few things that just weren't quite up to our standards. We had our tiles in our shower and our bathroom cleaned and regrouted. We're having both of the bedrooms that are mine and my girlfriend Hillary's office. We each have our own office bedrooms. We're having those painted as well as our master bedroom. And then sooner or later, we're gonna rip out the carpets and replace it with floors. So yeah, lots of things going on with the house. And it's required a bit more attention than we initially anticipated, but overall, we're very happy with it. Absolutely love the view we have off of our balcony in our backyard and just owning our own place. It's been really nice. Got a couple other items that are on the priorities list to do for the house, one of which is installing a garage door opener on the single car garage, because if you recall, my house has two garages. It has a 2-car garage and it has a single car garage, both of which are direct access. So quite nice. Hillary's gonna have the 1-car garage, I'm gonna have the 2-car. have my man cave. It's gonna be good. Again, still getting familiar and acquainted with the area, but so far we like it. Get outside from the heat, but that's only temporary. Another month or two should cool off and be quite nice day to day. But outside of house stuff, yeah, just work's been really busy, but in a good way, so that's been great. And I'm getting ready to go back up to Buttonwillow this weekend for CRA's final round of the season, the 4th round, running configuration 26 counterclockwise with the longest straightaway I have ever been on in my life. So be sure to tune back in next week. That's when I'll be posting all of the footage, videos, vlogs, content from this weekend's final round of the CRA season. Going to be racing again my 2012 Triumph Daytona 675R. Made another couple small changes to the bike. The last time I went out, I had changed the chain and sprockets. I went for a 520 pitch chain and sprocket set and went down one in the front and up two in the rear, toothwise. So bike accelerated quite a bit faster than before, but the chain was 118 lengths, so it also lengthened my wheelbase by about 8 millimeters. So that didn't impact me as much as I thought it was going to, but I did still notice a little bit of a difference in just how the bike would steer side to side, transition, change in direction, and the speed at which it would change the direction. But I also didn't have a lot of time to ride it just because of my crash on Friday before the race weekend. I only got to ride a session and like 2 laps, maybe 3 laps. That was all the time that I had to get used to that before I had to go get my last practice session in and qualify, and then one more 10-minute practice and a race on Sunday. So I think I did pretty well overall, but definitely excited to see how this weekend goes. My body's feeling a lot better. Not 100% quite yet, but I am pretty close. Cruise control going down a hill is not a happy thing. Chop, chop, chop. But I'm looking forward to it. I hope you are too. But with that, I hope you enjoyed this little update, and I hope you take a little bit of comfort knowing that I'm still around. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I would sincerely appreciate a gentle little click of the like button. And if you considered subscribing for more motorcycling content such as this, drop a comment below. Did you get any track days in this summer? Do you have any on the books? Are you going to do any in the fall? Let's talk about the racetrack down in the comments below. But thanks again so much for watching, and I'll hope to catch you in the next one. Until then, later.